So guys, if you ever wondered how to make a homemade yo-yo, you just get two bottle caps that are the same size, né? And you take them and you take a screw and you make a tiny hole through them and you put it through, and then you get string, and then you make it so that it's together, that it then you intertwine them into each other, and then you can then you roll them the string up, and then you yo-yo with it. But you should just remember to make this thing, and my thing that I use is just use a knot, and then you make another knot with the underline here. Yeah, and then you make your own type of yo-yo. Here. You just roll it up. Put your finger through the hole and just throw it down. You can also do a bunch of tricks with it and those stuff. Yeah. Bye.